So I met this beautiful lady in town and her skin was looking very nice. And sometimes if you have a nice skin, I really love to find out what exactly to use on the skin. There are some people, when you get close to them, they will share their secret with you. And there are some people, they will not even mind you at all. So this beautiful lady I met at Accra Mall, I was going to meet a colleague, all right? And I met her at Accra Mall. Her skin was so nice. So I got closer to her and I asked her what does she use on her skin. And she was like, she uses only 2 products. And she's going to share it with me. She'll show me how she used it on the skin. So she mentioned Tandrina cream to me and she mentioned Carotone Oil to me. So I came to the house. Actually, I didn't let her know what I do for a living or who I am. I just admired her skin and I got closer to her. So when she mentioned Carotone Oil to me and Tandrina to me, that was a good combination she's using on her skin. So I came to the house to do research about it to find out how these 2 combo or these 2 products really works on the skin. So I did my research and I realized that it was a very good product. She was using it on her skin. She was a caramel skin person. Beautiful people. In today's video, I'm going to share my honest review on Tandrina cream and Carotone Oil. I'll show you how you can use these 2 combo to lighten your skin, to brighten your skin, and to also glow your skin as well. I'll show you which skin type is supposed to use these 2 combo, okay? And I'll also show you how you can use it perfectly to glow your skin as a dark skin person and a caramel skin person. I'll share with you the roles these 2 combo plays on the skin and the side effects of not using these 2 combo very well. This is Tandrina cream and it's formulated with cocoa and other healthy ingredients. It is good for glowing the skin, it's good for nourishing the skin, it's good for clearing marks on the skin, and it is good for making the skin smooth as well. When you buy it, it is sealed, but then I just opened the seal on it, okay? So if you buy it and it is not sealed, you have to know that it's not the original one, okay? But if it is sealed all over, you know that it is the original one. It is one of the oldest cream in the system, and this cream has been the best for ages. It's the best till now, okay? And I have in my hand here Carotone lightening oil. It is an oil that lightens the skin, that brightens the skin, and it makes the skin very smooth and soft. It's formulated with carrot, it's formulated with citric acid, it's formulated with kojic acid, and also collagen as well. It brightens the skin very well, and you have to understand that it's also a clarifying oil. So if you have spots on your skin, you can use it to clear the spots on the skin. So you just have to get a very nice soap, a cake soap, combined with this and use on the skin. It's recommended for normal skin people, a combination skin people, and also a dry skin people. It's not recommended for sensitive skin people, and it is not recommended for an oily skin people as well. It glows the skin, it nourishes the skin, it lightens the skin, and it brightens the skin. So all you have to do is to pour a quantity or half of the oil to the Tandrina cream, okay? This is how the oil is. So you just pour half of it into the Tandrina cream, then you mix it very well. You take your time and mix it. I'm just mixing it with my pen. I don't have a spoon with me here, so I'm just mixing it with my pen. So you mix it very well, very well. And if you have a dry skin, make sure the oil is enough in the Tandrina cream, okay? So those of you with a dry skin, let your oil be plenty, okay? So you mix it very well, mix it very well, very well. So this is how the result is after mixing it, and the scent is still the same, okay? So after bathing and everything, all you have to do is to massage the cream on your skin, and this combination is supposed to be used in the night, because the Carotone oil is a lightening oil. You don't have to use any lightening product and expose the skin under the sun. So all you have to do is to use it in the night after bathing. During the daytime, you can get a very nice moisturizer and use it on the skin and step out, okay? But in the evening after bathing, just apply the cream you on your skin, and it smells so nice. It smells so nice. These two products lighten the skin when you use it consistently, and it gives you a very nice light caramel shade. All right, it's the best for dark skin people and a caramel skin people who want to brighten their skin a bit, who want to lighten their skin a bit, or who wants to glow their skin as well. We have stretch marks. With the help of the Tandrina, it's going to play it for you. It's going to make the skin very smooth. It's going to make the skin very soft for you. But you have to understand that it's not something that you have to use on the face, just on the body, because it's a lightening ingredient, and moreover, the face is very sensitive than the body. It's not advisable to use your body cream on your face, okay? It clears spot on the skin as well, and it makes the skin very soft. It's not recommended for kids, okay? It's not recommended for kids. It's the best product a dark skin person can use it to achieve a very nice caramel skin tone or even skin tone, okay? It's the best for everybody, all right? And the side effect I've noticed about this product is that, or these two combinations, is that it makes you sweat a lot. It makes you sweat a lot, and it leaves sunburn on the skin if you expose the skin under the sun, okay? It's very healthy for lightening the skin. Is very good for glowing the skin. So as a dark skin person, you don't want to use any whitening cream, you don't want to use any whitening lotion. You can grab Carotone Oil, which is this one, with the Tandrina cream and use on the skin. You can mix them very well and use it on the skin, but do not use it on the face. It's not recommended for a child, but if your child is above 18 years, the child can use it on the skin, okay? So beautiful people, if you have ever used these two combinations before, you can please share your review with me under the comments, okay? And if you are new here, my name is Lartini. I'll plead with you to kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first person to receive a notification from me. And to my returned subscribers, thank you for coming, and I really appreciate you. If you want to buy the Tandrina in quantity, or you want the original one to buy, you can send me a DM on Instagram at LartiniSkincare, on Facebook at LartiniSkincare, on TikTok at LartiniSkincare, and please, you can WhatsApp me on 027 159 4053 to purchase the original one from me. And I ship to all nationwide. I deliver to everywhere within Accra. If you are outside Ghana, we can make a delivery for you. If you are within Ghana, every part of Ghana, we can make a delivery for you. Distance is not a barrier. So please, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. All I wanna